Alright, well here's a close look at the AMC AMX3 prototype. This sat in northern Michigan for years. They only made about 10 of them, and there's only a few that exist today. This one was recently bought from the family who had it for decades. I was supposed to come and shoot this car in the family's barn a few years ago, and unfortunately, at the time that I was supposed to go out there, the father passed away. It's a 394 speed car with a very well appointed interior, bucket seats, console, full gauges, power windows. Looks like something's been living in here. Here's the bulkhead that protects you from the engine that sits underneath here. Carefully close that. You can learn more at AMX3.org. Also, he's on Facebook and Instagram. There's no engine or transmission in it currently. And this is the one and only time it's being shown barn fresh, as they could say. It's going right from here to be restored to its original glory. Here's some more information on it. And of course, this is where the trunk is, since the engine is in back, but I'm not going to open it. You can see where the radiator used to be, and with dual fans to keep everything cool for.
I had only heard about this car in myths and legends until it popped back up online, and I was able to talk to the family about the car. And while I was working out trying to see the car in person when unfortunately the father passed away, in the end it still came up with the same result as I wanted it at the MCACN show for the barn find display, and it was definitely the highlight. Having it right up in front made it all that much better. And I was very happy to see it, and being involved with an individual who will take good care of it, as well as involving the original family. If you have any questions on this or anything else, I put all the information in the comments below, and you can always contact me through any of my social media.